Hey everybody, welcome back to SuzannesSubscriptions. Today I received my Stitch Fix box, so stick around while I unbox it and show you guys what I got. So for those of you that don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box, and you can get it monthly, you can get it quarterly, you can kind of get it when you want to order it. And there's a personal stylist that ends up finding 5 different items to send to you, and you get them sent to you via the US mail, and you end up getting to take time to try those on at, the comfort of your home, review them, see if you like them, and then you check out online and determine which items you're going to keep and which items you're going to return. The great thing about this is that you get a USPS prepaid return envelope to send all the items back, so they make the work and the hassle of it really easy, and that's what I really love about the subscription boxes. Okay, so I've got my box here. I've already kind of opened it. Looks like it got a little beat up on the way here, but everything looks fine inside. So let's see what I got. I'm always excited. This is always my favorite part. Kind of here's my little bundle. Ooh, a sneak peek. I see color already, so I'm kind of excited. So, all right, let's get this open and see what I got this time. So first item I'm noticing is a black, I believe it's black, yeah, Harlan. Looks like a nailer twist front blouse. So that's kind of cool. It looks like very nice material for a blouse. So it's got twist, if you guys can see, it's kind of got a twist detail in the middle. It's probably gonna be able to tell better once I try it on. But yeah, just a nice black blouse. Can't go wrong there. Okay, the next item I got is a cute little blouse that's got the off-the-shoulder look. This is cut from the cloth, and it's got this cute detail with a tie in the back. It's a very thin blouse. Colors are great for spring. I really like the look of it. I don't own even one of these off-the-shoulder blouses or shirts, so I'm curious how that'll look and if I'll like it. But right off the first glance, I do like the look of it and the feel. It looks very spring-like. I just don't know if it's gonna fit my body style. The next item I got is a skirt. So this is a Margaret M skirt, and I'm almost positive I got the same designer brand last month, but I like this design and color a lot better. The last one I got was kind of a purple checkered kind of, or I don't think it was checkered, but it was kind of a busy skirt. So I'm kind of liking this more simple navy and flowered design. So this is, again, Margaret M Christina skirt in navy, and it doesn't give me a price. Let's see, it is $68. Okay, and then the last clothing item I got in this box, it's already gone quite fast, is a pair of jeans. So if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I'm on the hunt for a good pair of jeans, so crossing our fingers here. But these are Lila Ryan. Never tried that brand or designer before. These are indigo color, Jaren twisted front seam skinny jean. So I don't mind the color or the wash at all. They've kind of got this interesting design down the leg, skinny jean style. So we'll see how they go. Okay, and then the last item in my box is actually a jewelry box. This is the first time I've ever gotten a piece of jewelry from Stitch Fix, so I'm kind of excited. I don't ask for jewelry, so I'm a little surprised that they sent it. But they're probably just trying it out, going, she hasn't been happy with the full set of clothes, so maybe try out a piece of jewelry. But I'm kind of picky about my jewelry. All right, so cute little box, and then looks like a big old necklace in here. Hopefully it's a long necklace, because this is the only necklace that I like that's shorter. Okay, this is cute. You guys can see. So long enough, obviously. Don't mind it at, first glance. So I don't know, we'll see. Try it on with some clothes and we'll see if I like it. now that I've tried everything on, I'll give you guys my, honest feedback. The first item up is the pendant. So this is a Romulo Kaylee crescent pendant. I've been wearing it to see if it grows on me, and honestly, it's not. It's really cheap looking to me. I don't really like the design. The necklace part is very thin. It's $34. I would not pay $34 for this, so this is a definite no. Okay, then there was this black, I think it's, what was it, Harlan blouse with the twist front, and I wish I could show you guys an example, but it wouldn't even fit over my bust area, so this is a no-go. It's a material that doesn't have any give to it, and it wouldn't even get over this area, so unfortunately this is definitely a no. Okay, then there was the cut from the cloth blouse. That's $58. This one, while I didn't mind the off the shoulder, and I was actually happy to try that out for once, I love the feel of it, and I love the color. It's a really cute spring-like shirt. I just found it very tight around my boobs. It didn't give me any movement, so I probably should go up a size. So I'm going to consider this one, but honestly, the reason that I might not end up buying it is because I don't know how you all wear your bra straps. It kept coming out of this, so I would see it, and that would bother me during the day. So if anybody has any advice on how to not show that, or if I have to wear a different bra, then it seems like too much work, so I don't know. So that's why this one's probably a no. Okay, now on to the skirt. While I like the design and the flowers and the color, it is not a flattering cut. It's very square-like and doesn't give your body any shape. It's meant to be very, form-fitting, but to me the size is extra large, so it's a little too big for me because it doesn't accentuate any of my positives, which I've got to. I need all the help I can get there. So this almost makes me look a little bulkier, and I don't like that. It's not flattering, so I won't keep this one. Next item up is the jeans. Now I did like these. I did like how they fit around the waist and in my butt area, my legs. The design, or the fact that it kind of has this twisted line that runs down your leg and kind of twists, wasn't overly noticeable. I thought it was going to be a little more noticeable, and I know it's hard for me to show that in the video. I'm gonna have to figure that out eventually on how to show you kind of a full length, but for now, this is probably the item I like the most. These are $98 again from Lila Ryan. Well, that was my box for the month of March. Pretty much looking like I'm 1 for 5 in this month's box. I was really hoping that I was eventually going to get a 5 for 5 and kind of take part of the discount, because for those of you that don't know, they do end up telling you that you get 25% off your order if you do buy all 5 items, and then of course they take off your styling fee of $20. So it ends up being a pretty good discount. I just have never had a box yet that I've liked all 5 items. Some of it with this box is the fit, and it's possible I could go up a size, but if I don't love the item when I try it on, even going up a size isn't gonna really help. I really gotta feel like I love it. So looking like 1 for 5. Well, thank you guys for watching my Stitch Fix unboxing. Please make sure to comment down below and let me know your thoughts or any ideas you have for me. Always love to hear those. And then, as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then ring that little bell so you get notified of my next subscription box. I make videos weekly, so I hope you guys come back.